What if I told you that you could build an app, a website, or even a game without writing every single line of code yourself? That's the idea behind something people are now calling vibe coding. It may sound like a trend or just another buzzword, but behind the name is a real shift in the way software is being built. Vibe coding is the process of creating software by describing what you want in plain language and letting AI help generate the code. Instead of manually typing every function, loop, and interface element, you guide the system with instructions. In simple terms, you tell the AI what you want to build, the AI writes the code, and then you refine, test, and improve it. Think of it like this. Traditional coding is like building a house brick by brick with your own hands. Vibe coding is more like being the architect and the project manager. You describe the design, the structure, and the feel of what you want, and the AI helps build it. Then you step in to improve the result. For example, instead of writing code from scratch, you might say, "Build me a clean website for a YouTube channel with a dark theme, video gallery, and subscribe section." Within seconds, the AI can generate the layout, styling, and even interactive elements. Then you continue refining it with prompts like "Make the buttons blue," "Add a contact form," "Improve the mobile layout." This back-and-forth process is what gives vibe coding its name. You are building through flow, intuition, and rapid iteration, and that is exactly why it is becoming so popular. For beginners, it removes the fear of the blank screen. For experienced developers, it dramatically speeds up prototyping. What once took hours can now take minutes. But here is something important. Vibe coding does not mean you no longer need to understand coding. That is where many people get it wrong. AI can generate code, but if something breaks, you still need to understand the basics to fix it. That means learning the foundations still matters. Variables, functions, loops, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript if you are building websites. Think of AI as a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your understanding. So how do you get into it? Start small. Do not begin with something massive like building the next Instagram. Start with a simple project, a to-do app, a personal website, a quote generator, a YouTube thumbnail idea generator. Pick something useful and manageable. Then use tools that support AI-assisted coding, such as Visual Studio Code with AI tools or Replit. Describe exactly what you want. The more clearly you explain the idea, the better the result. For example, create a simple dark theme to-do app with add and delete buttons. That is much better than simply saying, "Make app." Specific prompts lead to better code. Then study the output. Try to understand what the AI wrote, change small parts, break it, fix it. That is how real learning happens. The beauty of vibe coding is that it turns coding into a creative conversation. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by syntax, you start by focusing on ideas. And once your idea comes to life on screen, motivation grows fast. This is why many people are entering software development through this path. It lowers the barrier, it speeds up learning, and it makes building feel exciting. The future of coding may not be about typing more. It may be about thinking better, prompting better, and building faster. And if you enjoy exploring the technology shaping our future, make sure to subscribe to Talking Tech.